Tired of wasting time digging through endless folders just to open the same files or apps every day? Well, not anymore. In this quick Windows 11 tip, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut for literally anything. First, head to your desktop. Right-click on any empty space to open the menu. Hover over New and select Shortcut. Next, a window will pop up asking where your item is. Click Browse and find your file, folder, or application. Once you've located it, select it, click OK, then Next. Finally, give your shortcut a name and hit Finish. And that's it. Your shortcut is ready to use right from the desktop. If this quick tip saved you time, tap that like button and subscribe for more smart Windows tricks. Thanks for watching.